I sip way too much drink. I don't think I can think. I won't try to tell lies.
Baby! I'm back and I'm better. Stop what you're doing. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, you already know what to do. Stop right there and subscribe down below right now. Because, I mean, hello, why not? Nah, let me stop. But, you know, why not? So, in this video, we're doing a unboxing. This is modern show hair. You know, I was so hyped when this came. Cause you know, I'm about to get my inches. I'm tired of this stiff ass hair. I'm about to get some inches. So it came like this. It came in a regular UPS bag. And open the hair, but this is how like it came in the package. So I got 226 and 228 for $170, which was a good deal. Very good deal. This is the non-Remy body wave in Brazilian. At first I was gonna get 4, but I like my hair thick, so I got 226 and 228. It's still inches though. This is how the hair looks out of the package. I didn't get any fancy eyelashes, but it came in 4 days. I ordered it last Thursday and it came today, which is Monday, which is really good. But this is my first time with modern show hair, so I don't know. We're gonna see how it keeps up. I'm gonna do a 1-month review on this hair and we're gonna see. I heard many good stuff about this hair, so it should be good, hopefully. And the price wasn't that expensive, but it wasn't that cheap, so I don't know. My hair is mad stiff. But so this is a 28. This is a 28. Yeah, this is a 28. And this is how the curl pattern was. I ran my fingers through it. And look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is how long it is on me. I don't think. I got it in body wave. And this is how long it is from up here. Where my wigs in it start. And that's some long. Pocahontas. So yeah. I got it in body wave. And I got 4 bundles, like I said. And there's no smell, surprisingly, because some hair I got from Aliexpress be smelling like, I don't know, but let me smell it bad. And this is a 26, and it's like gonna be like right here, and it's up to here. Wow, that's pretty long. I did not expect that. But yeah, this is long. And I can't even put it in. I'm gonna be making a closure wig out of this, so stay tuned for that closure video coming soon. And I'm gonna do a 1-month review on this hair too, so we'll see. But right now it's soft. I mean, of course, when you get new hair, of course it's gonna be soft, and then like later on it gets tangy and stuff. But we'll see how this hair keeps up. Look how pretty it is. I can't wait to put it in. Yay. I'm so happy. That'll be something with me. I'm only 5'5" too, so it reaches like my butt. But yeah, I got it in 1B, of course. I was thinking of dyeing it jet black, but it doesn't really make sense because it's already like dark. I'm always touching my hair in my videos. I don't know. This hair is just like stiff, so I gotta fix it up a little bit. Yeah. I know you're wondering what I'm wearing. Yeah, I got a yellow bandana on and a yellow sweatsuit from Fashion Nova, of course. That's the only way I shop at, Fashion Nova. Let me show you the whole fit. whole fit. Space jammies on my feet. Bitch, I'm on the moon. Comment any videos you guys want to see down below. And I will do it, of course. Like, comment, subscribe, of course. I mean, it's me. Hello. And stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for my closure video. And I'm going to do a hair review on this, like, next month. To see how the hair is holding up. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.